Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Fentley. Here are the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls upon people to adopt yoga in their lives and make it a part of their daily routine. Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar inaugurates vocational course in agriculture at North Liberty Higher Secondary School in July. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh says the world now listens attentively to what India says as its stature has risen in the last 9 years. An Indian Coast Guard continues efforts post-cyclone Biparjoy landfall. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said he will participate in the International Day of Yoga program at the United Nations headquarters in New York on the 21st of this month. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Modi said there is tremendous enthusiasm among the people to celebrate Yoga Day. He said the theme of Yoga Day this year is Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is yoga for the welfare of all in the form of one world, one family. He further stated that it expresses the spirit of yoga, which unites and takes everyone along. Many programs related to yoga will be organized in every corner of the country this year too.
संयुक्त राष्ट्र मुख्यालय यूएन में होने वाले योग दिवस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने का अवसर मिलेगा। मैं देख रहा हूं कि सोशल मीडिया पर भी योग दिवस को लेकर गजब का उत्साह दिख रहा है। साथियों, मेरा आप सभी से आग्रह है कि आप योग को अपने जीवन में जरूर अपनाएं, इसे अपनी दिनचर्या का हिस्सा बनाएं। अगर अब भी आप योग से नहीं जुड़े हैं तो आने वाली 21 जून इस संकल्प के लिए बहुत बेहतरीन मौका है।
Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar on Saturday inaugurated a vocational course in agriculture at North Liberty High Secondary School in July. The inauguration was held on the occasion of the felicitation ceremony of the school for students who passed Class 12 Arts and Science along with Class 10 students. The principal of the school, Richard Uriah, informed that the vocational course in agriculture is meant for students to learn important things in agriculture. Addressing the function as chief guest, Sneha Bhalangdhar lauded the efforts of the school authority, starting from the principal to the teaching faculty for their success. He also urged the students to build confidence to achieve more in the future, as this is the starting point of success in their lives.
Kami sinto akan mensuara ngi pas menteri wan kudu premium. Kita talk a challenge we are facing as the whole society in the whole world, in the whole country. Hadi apa usul di house na mudala kita mudu khaman tu ilas murim yogi. Upasi bi in to usul ke kaum reyang sa hakmat. Hane si para yung hari dia nanti ke kaum ani hakat ke murim bos kuah.
Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has said India's stature in the international forum has risen in the past 9 years and the world now listens to it attentively. Addressing a gathering of successful candidates of UPSC civil services exams in an event organized in Lucknow today, the Raksha Mantri stressed that the idea of developed India is not merely a dream but is becoming reality under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Singh emphasized that now a superpower like the United States prepares diligently to welcome and host India's Prime Minister, and foreign media talks about the country's success story. He also said that the young civil servants have a vital role in building the nation. The Prime Minister has expressed delight with the good news coming in for India this month from the sports world. He said the Indian team has raised the glory of the tricolour by winning the Women's Junior Asia Cup for the first time. The Indian men's hockey team has also won the Junior Asia Cup. India's junior team also did wonders in the Junior Shooting World Cup and secured first position in the tournament. Out of the total gold medals in the tournament, 20% has come in India's account alone. The Asian Under-20 Athletics Championship was also held this month, and India remained in the top 3 in the medal tally among 45 countries. Modi congratulated all the athletes of the country, their parents and coaches for their efforts.
भारत की टीम ने पहली बार विमेन्स जूनियर एशिया कप जीतकर तिरंगे की शान बढ़ाई है। इसी महीने हमारी मेंस हॉकी टीम ने भी जूनियर एशिया कप जीता है। इसके साथ ही हम इस टूर्नामेंट के इतिहास में सबसे अधिक जीत दर्ज करने वाले टीम भी बन गए हैं। जूनियर शूटिंग वर्ल्ड कप, उसमें भी हमारी जूनियर टीम ने भी कमाल कर दिया। भारतीय टीम ने इस टूर्नामेंट में पहला स्थान हासिल किया है। इस टूर्नामेंट में कुल जितने गोल्ड मेडल थे, उसमें से 20% अकेले भारत के खाते में आए हैं।
The Office of the Superintendent of Police West Jaitya Hills, with the support of the Mintadu Community Social Welfare Association, organized an awareness program on drug abuse and illicit trafficking. The awareness program was held at Yaothim, Latlabo on Saturday as part of the project of Meghalaya AIDS Control Society on the targeted intervention. To create more effective awareness on drugs, a testimony was shared from a member of MCSWA, H. Sinkon, who enlightened the audience on how he came in contact with drugs and managed to fight against it, changing his life.
Lengba ka police department lengba ki darbar chnong lengba ki sing go fair ko kermen wo to wa neni chakamat wo u siao tho bi ya kini ki jing leni ya jing problem yo new drugs ko u chim thia bi ki khnang wo yi wo u te lakam yo new drugs khnang wo yi wa u punman ya kani ka rejoin tia leni ki juai tau yang iura ko wi ko like yo new drugs.
All units under the Indian Coast Guard Headquarters Region Northwest are continuing their response action at sea post landfall of Cyclone Biparjoy. Coastal recce and extensive sorties are being undertaken to check any adrift boats or objects at sea. ICG ships, 3 Dornier aircraft and ALH Mk3 helicopters are being comprehensively deployed in the multi-mission mode for monitoring coasts, with emphasis on ports and harbours at Okha, Vadinar, Jakhau and Mandavi for damage assessment and response post landfall of Cyclone Biparjoy at Kutch Coast. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 22.6 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.8 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 91%, dropping marginally to 83% in the evening, with rainfall measured at 4.6 millimeters. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls upon people to adopt yoga in their lives and make it a part of their daily routine. Deputy Chief Minister Snehabalang Dhar inaugurates a vocational course in agriculture at North Liberty High Secondary School, Jawai. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh says the world now listens attentively to what India says as its stature has risen in the past 9 years. And the Indian Coast Guard continues its efforts post-Cyclone Biparjoy landfall. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.